How to export contacts from Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to export our contacts from Horde. Point the mouse on Address Book in the main menu, then click Address Book. Click the Import/Export option. This is the Import/Export page. Here we can export our Horde contacts so that we can use them in another program such as Excel. Let's go ahead and export the contacts now. To export the contacts, click Export button. Select Save File, then click OK. That's it! Our contacts have been exported and can now be used in other programs. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to export your contacts from Horde.